Welcome back to Fix Your App. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to quote a tweet in a reply. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the X app on your phone and make sure you're on the home screen. This is where you'll find the latest posts and conversations happening in your feed. Step 2. Next, find the tweet you want to reply to. Tap on any part of the post that isn't a picture or a link. This will open up a detailed view of the tweet, showing the replies and engagement options. Step 3. Now, scroll down to the replies section. Here, you'll see all the responses that other users have left under the original tweet. Step 4. Look for the reply you want to quote. You'll notice a set of intertwined arrows near the comment. Tap on this icon to bring up more options for interacting with the reply. Step 5. From the menu that appears, tap on the option labeled Quote. This allows you to add your own message while including the original reply as a reference. Type your response, then hit Post. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.